In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw your money from Share.com. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Share like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to Payments up here in the menu. Then from here you'll see a list of all of your previous payments. Then from here you need to go over to the right hand side and click Request Payment over here. Then from here you can see this page will pop up. And here you'll see the payment details where all of your personal information will stand. Then from here you'll see the payment method ID where you can change from wire or crypto or whatever setting you already have chosen. And down here you can see the wire detail or your bank details. Down here you can also add an amount that you want to withdraw. You can add the full amount that you have inside of your Share account, or you can add a more profitable set of money if you want to do that. You need to be aware of each payment requires an inquest fee of $20 for processing charges. You also need to be aware your next fee-free payment will be made automatically on the 15th of the month. And you can also change that in the settings tab. When you've done that, you need to click request payment, and then after a couple of days, the money will be transferred over to your bank account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!